Welcome back. You can take a laptop or a tablet just about anywhere to learn virtually, but it's also nice to actually have a workspace.
Dozens of students in Madison now have one of their own. Jamie Perez shows us who they have to thank for that.
No, teacher, we go like this to go in our Zoom classes.
Even for a 7th grader, Jakyla Powers finds virtual learning challenging.
It's very much hard.
She spent weeks lying on her bed doing schoolwork.
And it was just something that just wasn't sustainable. Like for the entire year, for her to be like crunched over her nightstand or on her bed trying to do virtual learning.
But now,
And on Wednesdays, it give us a to-do list.
she has a dedicated workspace of her own, crafted in a workshop of Jocelyn Lipinski's own.
I built a desk, and then I built another one, and then I built more.
Lipinski is a former teacher who's worked with the MMSD school district for a dozen years. This year is different than most.
It always feels like it's a chance to do the right thing and to help kids, find success and do what they want. And the way the world is right now, can't think of anything else I'd rather do.
Lipinski spends several hours a day building desks out of old wood pallets to give to families in need for free.
I don't know who they are. I just know that they're families that need desks.
She says she can make about 6 desks every night by herself, eventually dropping them off at students' homes, like the one Jakyla now uses for virtual learning.
I want to thank Jocelyn and her family for taking the time to make this and give them out and being so generous and dropping them off to students.
So it really helped to have the desk to just be a space where she can sit and focus.
Lipinski knows the desks aren't perfect, but they're a tangible way to connect with students at a time when that kind of connection is hard to reach.
It feels like the right thing to do. If I have the talent to do it, I'd like to do it because this time is so hard.
In Madison, Jamie Perez, News 3 Now.
Way to go, Jocelyn. Her desks have ended up with students from as far away as Wausau. If you'd like to request a desk or you'd like to donate so that she can make more of them for others in need, she's asking you to reach out via email. It is at the bottom of your screen and also online at channel3000.com.